This is Beachrunner 3, built to the E.C.D Beachrunner specification. It's finished in full gloss Cornish cream with silver accents. Beachrunner 3 sits on 16-inch Wolf steel wheels in Chawton white with BFG all-terrain tyres. Beachrunner 3 features a multi-point soft top, classic front bumper, E.C.D custom steering guard, folding front screen and LED work lights at the rear. Inside, Beachrunner 3 features a Momo Heritage wood steering wheel with vintage gauges, Recaro Expert S front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett Cadence Spice leather stitched together in sumac. Beachrunner 3 is powered by our GM 450 horsepower LT1 engine with 10-speed automatic transmission. Beachrunner 3 also features an array of modern touches, such as an infotainment system with Pioneer speakers, Apple CarPlay and access to USB ports throughout.